In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off comments on your YouTube channel. So if you no longer need or want people to comment on your videos or on your posts, then it is pretty much simple. You can just go ahead and turn off comments. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio. So I'll go to my YouTube studio here, and then from here, go to settings. Now under settings, look for the option called community moderation, and under it, choose content controls. Now below it, you can see we have comments on new video and posts. Currently it is turned on. So to turn this off, go ahead and tap on this and choose off. Now if you go ahead and save, now your comment sections on your posts and on your videos will be turned off. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.